Okay, so we are hopefully back in business. And now it's showing up, but the it's not showing the full image correctly. It's cut off up here and down here, and my mouse is behaving really weirdly in this. Yeah, the mouse is behaving really weirdly in the virtual machine. I'm not sure what's up with that. It'll take me a while to figure out how to deal with all the problems with the virtual machine, I guess. One thing that is nice though is that the font looks really good in this new version of Emacs that they have in Nix. I'm used to using very old software, and I guess this newer version has a nice font. Okay, so changing this can't possibly help because there's really nothing here to change. And so I'm gonna have to go into the template, into the theme, and go to Layouts, Partials, Hero, and see what I can do about that image. I don't know why that took such a long time to load. Like, it's just text. Maybe the virtual machine is slow or something. So I don't know what this mask stuff is. What happens if I delete it? Hey, that's better. And now it just has this weird bend thing. And what if I just get rid of the style altogether? Hey, that's perfect. So I just need to get rid of the style. It's interesting how this here, it looks like it's part of the subscribe thing. It looks like an error, but it's actually part of the screenshot. This is really distracting how the mouse doesn't work, but it should teach me at least not to use the mouse, which I should have learned a lot already. That also seems bad, the fact that this text is covering the screenshot when I'm scrolled down a little bit, but it's not such a tragedy. I wonder if it would be possible, I guess it should be possible to like put that into the frame of like cell phone, you know, so it looks like it's inside a cell phone frame. But I think that that's better just to ask the graphics designer to do that for me than to mess around with some image mask thingamajigs that I don't really understand. And okay, so that's done. And I'll go ahead and commit that. and I'm not sure what this web public thing is, but that's okay. Maybe that's the place where things get compiled to. I need to add it to git ignore probably. And I also need to go ahead and upload Wait, why is detached from? What the heck? What's going on? Don't really understand what happened there. But so what is public? Public is indeed the thing that gets compiled, so it should be in git ignore. And now on to the about me section. So top title, I guess it can be about. I don't know what to write, you know. So I think that I should write like what the vision is, not like tell them what Gradesta is, but what the vision is. So with structured multimedia documents, we can edit, share, and collaborate on documents using nothing more than a mobile phone, microphone, and camera. No need to do all of that typing just to express yourself. Okay, so what is the call to action gonna be? I guess is the first question. I'm gonna have to get rid of the mask on this image too. Assets.gradesta.com, wireframes, and what was the other one? Selection.apg. Have to go check. Yida. Selection. HTTPS assets.grad typos. If there was a way to get rid of typos, that would be a real value proposition. Just eliminate typos. I'll pay for that. Okay, so now we need to go back to what am I doing? Closing my editor. Why am I closing my editor? I guess it's because I'm used to Vim. About section, and I presume it's going to be very similar. Image, maybe. Get rid of all this style stuff. What happens if I just get rid of the style stuff? Ah, it seems like that worked. Okay. So I've added so I've added this new section. You don't need to type to create. And now I need to figure out what the calls to action will be. And I also need to decide whether this is really what I want to be saying, though I can do that later. My graphics designer is currently working on new wireframes where this with better user interface, and so that'll be nicer, yeah, certainly. Right now I don't think that the wireframes really express the product very well, because these cells are supposed to be connected together. And yeah, but it's good enough for now. It's better than nothing. I guess I will actually set the Remove image masks from the About section. I need to commit this. And then I'll go back to the About section, Data, About section, and I think that because I wanted to have a call to action to really get people to talk to me. Maybe it's a little bit weird to have a mail to using... What happens if I do that? 404 page not found. Did I say that? Yeah, so that actually works. So you can do a mail to like that. And I guess I'm gonna leave it like that. And what could be the other call to action? I think that I want to... How do you comment things out in... So that doesn't work. But if I delete these, so that doesn't work, but I can up here okay, so I can do an if. I don't know how it is done with the end. Okay, just an end, no end if. Okay, so I can make that optional. So I'll go ahead and push that. And I have an about section that is good enough for now. So this works. I can go back home. And now I need to work on the features. So I'll go ahead and commit the about section. And now I need to work on features, stories. Stories is going to be difficult right now since I don't really have any stories to put up. So I guess I'm going to hide that section for now. And then the blog, I'm going to have these webcasts on the blog. So what time is it? It's midnight. I guess I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm not feeling really great.